Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today we are looking at a classic algebra problem that you would typically find on a standardized test. If xy is a solution to the system of equations, what is the value of xy? Before we dive into the method, pause the video right here, grab a piece of paper, and see how long it takes you to solve it. Let's see if you naturally take the long path, or if you spot the hidden backdoor shortcut. First, let's look at the way most people approach this question. They look at the system and immediately start working to solve for x and y independently. They will try to use substitution or standard elimination, multiplying the top equation to cancel out a variable, finding x, plugging it back in to find y, and finally adding them together. Well, does it work? Yes, but it consumes an enormous amount of time and opens up a massive window for minor arithmetic errors. The test wants you to waste time here, but we are going to completely bypass that. So, to stand out from the crowd, you have to look closely at what the question is actually asking for. It doesn't ask you to find x, it doesn't ask you to find y. It strictly asks for the combined value of x plus y. Instead of splitting them apart, what happens if we just add both of these equations together as they are? Let's stack them up vertically and combine them. Let's add down the columns. 3x plus 5x gives us 8x. Then 2y plus 6y gives us 8y. On the right side of the equal sign, negative 21 plus negative 35 combines to give us exactly negative 56. Look at how beautifully symmetrical that looks. 8x plus 8y equals negative 56. We are now exactly one single step away from the final answer, without ever having to find out what x or y actually are. So to isolate x plus y, all we have to do is divide both sides of the entire equation by 8. On the left, the 8's cancel out completely, leaving us with just x plus y. On the right, negative 56 divided by 8 simplifies perfectly to negative 7. And bam, just like that, you have your final answer. X plus y is equal to negative 7, which instantly gives you option B on your multiple choice sheet. Did you see the vertical addition shortcut right away? Or did you start doing standard elimination? Let me know in the comments. Hit that follow button, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.